Knowledge is power. Learn as much as you can, but also apply it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself is constantly learning. In order for you to become the best version of yourself, you have to constantly learn, grow and evolve, but also apply the knowledge. Nobody wakes up and knows exactly what to do. You have to learn, you have to buy the books, you have to take the courses, whatever it may be. You have to do research within your field, within your business that you're trying to start. Just make sure that you're learning. And it may even be, if you're trying to be a well-rounded person mentally, you may also have to maybe buy some self-help books, seek advice from people that you aspire to, see how other people live their lives. Don't compare yourself to them, but also see how you can apply what they've done to your own life and learn how to build better relationships. The key is learning, constantly evolving, constantly trying to progress and gain more knowledge than you already have. Don't spend too much time on things that don't add value to your life, on things that are not bringing anything. You have to make sure that you're constantly learning, learning new skills on how you can become a better person, whether that be new skills within your business, it's new skills mentally, it's new skills physically, building better relationships, whatever it may be. Don't be scared to use the material that's available to you. Don't be scared to watch some inspirational speeches if you're currently going through a hard time and you feel like you need something to uplift you. The day you stop learning, that's the day you limit your full potential. You never really know what you can gain and what you can take from somebody else's story. Sometimes it's the smallest thing that sticks with you that could change your whole life entirely. So don't put yourself in a bubble where you're not evolving, where you're not learning. Always strive to learn something new every day. Learn things that are valuable to you. Learn things that are going to improve your general well-being and things that are going to lead you towards being that successful person. Don't be arrogant and feel like you know it all. And also don't be scared to ask questions. There's no such thing as a silly question. Ask people what their business strategies are. Ask people how they're doing things. Network with the same people in the business that you're trying to get into. Do not limit yourself and make sure that you're always gaining knowledge. But the key thing to gaining knowledge is applying the knowledge. There's no point in attaining loads and loads of knowledge just to only keep it yourself and just to make sure apply it within your life. Gain the knowledge and share it with somebody else. See what value you can add. Don't just be book smart and keep reading tons and tons of books and not apply any of that knowledge. At that point, you're just using it to fill up the gaps, to fill up the time. There's no point in learning something if you're not going to apply it. There's no point in learning something if you're not going to put your own spin on it and see how you can apply it within your business, within your life, within your personal growth, whatever it may be that you're trying to achieve, whatever the reason is for you joining this journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Make sure that you're applying everything you learn along the way. There's no point of trying to attain the highest level of education but still struggling after your family to pay the bills. You're still struggling. What's the point of gaining the most knowledge if you can't even attain it, if you can't even use it to the best of your advantage? So make sure that you're learning things that are adding value. You're not just indulging in gossip. You're not just indulging things that don't add value, and apply it. Don't forget to apply it, guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.